Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jayda, better known as JaydaValerie. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today we're just doing a little room tour. It's a couple things that I still have to do in my room, but I said like I could just show y'all and then y'all could see me do those couple of things like in a vlog or something. So let's get started.
Ooh, it's something about the way she moves.
Okay, so when you first walk in, I have a vision bingo board and my prayer board to the left. And then I have this black hook to hang my keys up. And yeah, that's the corner. We go turn to the right. Now behind the door, I keep my work bag, my empty lunch bag, and the book bag I'm currently using, just to keep it out the way. But like, this is my favorite area of my room. My dad made this like IKEA looking shelf because I didn't want to spend like $100 on that shelf. So at the top we have a speaker, and then I got these like jewelry things from Target. They was only $5, but I got one for my silver jewelry, and then this was like my gold jewelry. I was probably gonna add like the colored jewelry to the silver one because it looks like I'm getting more gold jewelry. And then down here, I got this Lazy Susan for my perfumes. Ooh, one leaning, but this Lazy Susan for my perfumes. One of them is missing. I don't know where it's at. Anyways, down here, we just have like cute little setup with some candles. These are supposed to light up, but I gotta put batteries in them. And then I have a Stanley down here because it doesn't fit in the cabinet. So that's that. Then we have my vanity. I actually DIY'd this vanity, I want to say 4 years ago, and my sister was using it. So we got her another vanity, and then let me use this one. And this, guys, is actually a flower pot that I put my makeup brushes in that I use the most. I do have a lot more makeup brushes than this, but they don't need to be out. These are the ones I mostly use, so I'm gonna leave those out. Mirror came from Amazon. This chair came from Hobby Lobby, but they don't sell it anymore. I got it like 4 years ago. And then I got this Impressions mirror from, where I get this from? TJ Maxx or Home Goods, one of those stores. But it was on sale for like $10. So now we're gonna go around to the closet. So my closet is mirrored, but I wanted to open it to show y'all. I have motion sensor lights up here, and I got them from Walmart. I love these because they are magnetic and they can like easily come off, so you could charge it. And I've actually had to charge it one time since I've been here. But yeah, so I got my purses lined up there, hats up there, leggings, athletic shorts there, joggers, well, it's a pair of jeans right there, but joggers, jean shorts, hanging clothes. The closet is actually pretty deep because it goes deep that way, and then it also goes deep this way. So now for shoe storage, I have shoes up here. Now the closet came with these like white things, but my mom let me have this like shoe rack. That's what it's called, shoe rack. So I put this on this side to put all my shoes on. These are just like really long dresses. I'm not sure why it's sticking out like this, but yeah. And then I got this like boot thing next to it, and it got like all my like tall boots on it. I just got my book bags that I don't use currently right there. Now to this side, oh, it's the dryer ball. I probably should have like cleaned this up before the video. Anyways, we're gonna do a realistic. So this is like my gaming TV homework slash area. I don't do homework over here, honestly. This is just like my gaming TV area. I got school supplies and that 3 drawer bin, and we actually covered this desk with contact paper because it's actually brown under there, but we just made it all black. So yeah, I actually have LED lights behind my TV. They're actually really cool. I don't know if y'all kind of see it because it's like really bright outside, but y'all could kind of see the light back there. Let's turn these off. Anyway, up top I have my vision board. I love this vision board. This is actually my favorite vision board I ever made. But let's move on. This is the dresser. I covered this. Y'all can kind of see the brown in there. Like, that's the color it was. But I covered this with contact paper as well. And up here, I just have a couple pictures. Lego sets me and my boyfriend made. Just some flowers. And then this sign is actually going there. But I have to get the right hooks for it. So I gotta figure that out. And then my little dictionary piece. Now we have my bed. On top of my bed is supposed to be some curtains. I know it look a little off center, but it's supposed to be some curtains up there to like make it look centered. But they keep falling, so I have to get something to put them up so they could stay up there. But yep, this is my bed. I got a duvet cover. This is like a twin size throw blanket, just so they could go across the whole bed and, like, you know, give it that look. And under my bed is this rug. It's giving me issues because you see the little lump right there. I have to figure out how to like straighten it. I probably have to move everything that's under my bed and on top of my bed and like just like relay the rug down, but I don't feel like doing that right now. Okay, my nightstand area, I got these picture frames off Facebook Marketplace for I think $10, and I printed out the pictures inside of them. I got the pictures from Pinterest and I printed them out at Walgreens, and it's so freaking cute. Now my lamp, I think my mom got it from At Home or Amazon. No, she got it from Amazon. It used to be my sister's. But my nightstand, we covered that as well. That's just a picture with me and my boyfriend. And behind my door, those are the curtains I was telling you guys about. I have two things drying right here, but it just got this like rack here for like when I get a robe. I need the robe ASAP, but when I get a robe and stuff, I'm gonna put that back there, hopefully. Okay, now we're going to move into my bathroom now. I have a mirror right here, right? But I have a hook up there for my towel. And I'm gonna let y'all know why I got that in there after y'all see the bathroom. So when y'all come in the bathroom, this is how it look. Mind you, this mirror did not look like this at all. This is a border I got from Amazon, and it really took the mirror to like another level. Like, I just love it. Okay, anyways. So let's start with this section. Up here is a vision board that me and my boyfriend made together. In here, it's like a medicine cabinet, but I keep my daily stuff in there. That I use. Water pick candle from Bath and Body Works. And then this little situation here. This is cute. I don't remember where I got that from actually, because I've had this for a minute, but I don't remember where I got that from. But go to TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods, whichever one, because all of them be having it. This brand here, I love it. It's like, it looks more luxurious. I got the tray from Hobby Lobby, but this is the hand soap. It feels absolutely amazing on my hands. And this is the body lotion. I use this mostly just for my hands though. So yeah. Now let's move on. This is a picture that I made. My sister also made one. My mom helped us make these. It came out so good. So we brought the wooden letters from Michael's. My mom already had the canvases, and then we used chalk paint as well to paint and stuff. So that was fun. I got this from Amazon. I need a new one of these. I want a black and white one, but as of right now, we have the black one. I'm thinking I might just get a new black one because the black is actually kind of cute. I don't know. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Should I get a new black one, or should I make it black and white? I don't know. But this is where I keep all my washcloths, because we don't have any cabinets under here. I don't know. I've never not had cabinets under my sink. But we came up with a solution. We got the long 3-drawer bin. This is like miscellaneous stuff I use. Like this like overflow lotions and body creams, all that. And then I got scarves at the bottom. And this next one is a hairband. In here, we got like clips and stuff like that, and products. I don't use a lot of products because I have locks now. And then we got hot tools. I don't even use those for real. I guess I'll show y'all these, but it's like messy. Like literally, these are like miscellaneous stuff. And it's just like my scarves and stuff. And then I got my laundry basket right here. I got this from Amazon. It folds down, which I like. Oh yeah, that's another thing. I don't know if I should cover that black. Let me know what y'all think. But back there, I keep the 2 towels I'm not using and a washcloth that I use in the morning. And then this situation here, we have a diffuser. I think that's what that's called. We got some potpourri and then some room spray. I put that towel there because the tray would slip and slide on the toilet. So we just put that towel there so it don't slip. These are my daily cleaning products and then my trash can. Now for my shower, I got a tension rod, and these are just like regular curtains that I got. They don't go all the way to the floor, but I didn't want to, you know? And I like the way they drape. So in order to have this drape, the hooks that my mom got me, we put this on the wall. Oh, well, y'all kind of see now. We put the hooks on the wall. We put a ponytail holder on the, what is this called? Curtains. And then we kind of like hung the ponytail holder on the hook. You know, just some rigging up. When I will open this, I got these 3 shelves from Walmart. I love them because they do come with that little thing right there that my razor's in, and the bar soap thing, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 hooks at the top. 4 black hooks at the top. That's where the stuff is hanging. But yeah, here's the area. So now I have this here because I don't have another spot in my bathroom to put this towel, so we chose here. And if I want to use the mirror, I'm gonna just move the towel. Just realized I forgot something. So my mom made this picture for me. I think it's over my vanity. It's really cute, but I think that's it. I know this video was pretty quick. If I miss like saying where something was from, please let me know in the comments and I will definitely respond and let you know where I got something from. Did I talk about this tray? I got this from, oh, still got this tag on it. I got this from at home. This still has the tag on it. Got this candle from Marshall's. And I got this from Dollar Tree. It's just that I broke the frame. Can y'all see that? I stepped on it. So we gotta get another one. But yeah, if I miss anything, please ask me where I got something from. I do not gatekeep. I will let you know. But that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Ooh, it's something about, just something about the